4 crazy kids. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hairstyle for New Year's called the Mermaid Tail. So let's get started. But before we start, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and tell us in the comments below what you think about this video. So let's get started. For my hairstyle today is I have my comb, I have some rubber bands. Make sure they're the big ones because the big ones work better than the small ones because the small ones rip easily. And we have our bobby pin beads to decorate. We have our topsy tail and our elastic. So let's begin. What you're going to do first is you're going to take your doll's hair or your hair and comb it all back so we can put it into a ponytail. We have our elastic and we're going to tie it. You don't want to tie it too tight so that when you make your mermaid tail later on, it's not like too tight for it. We got our button. Now that we finished our ponytail, what we're going to do is we're going to hide this elastic by wrapping some hair around it. So what you're going to do is first we got to put our topsy tail in. You got to put it right through the middle, right here where your elastic is. And you're going to take one piece of hair. Make sure it's not too thin or then you can't cover your elastic. And you're going to wrap it all around the hair. Now that we got this piece left, what you're going to do is you're going to put it through your topsy tail and you're going to try to find the bottom of it and you're just going to pull it down. Just pull it. And there we go. Now you can't see our elastic. Now we're going to begin our hairstyle. So now what you're going to do, you're going to begin your hairstyle. You're going to take one piece of strand right here. You're going to hold it. You want to use both of your hands for this because it's going to be a little bit hard. You're going to take your hand and put it behind all your hair and grab this. Then you're going to take this and just loop it through that little loop you had and pull tight. Now we have a little loop. Now you're going to do the same thing again, but you're going to make sure you take this strand with a new strand. I'm going to take it like that. And you're going to grab it from this side. Make sure you hold it so there's a loop. You're going to take that strand and put it through the loop, like that. And it kind of looks like a braid. And then once we're all done, it will be like a whole braid right here. So let's keep going. Let's take another strand, add it with our old strand. Grab it from the back and loop. Now we have our 2 braids. Now we're going to keep going. We're going to take a new strand with the old strand, pull it back and loop. Take a new strand with the old strand, pull it back and loop. But for this hairstyle, you don't want to make it all the way because it's called the mermaid tail for a reason. You want to go halfway through and then you're going to spread out all the hair at the end so it looks like a mermaid tail. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and tell me in the comments below what you think about this hairstyle. And if you tried it out. He's hiding. Going to keep going. Grab it and pull. We're going to go a little bit more and then we're going to stop. I'm going to keep going with their hairstyle. I chose to do this hairstyle today because it's very fun and easy to make, and it's very cute for New Year's. You can do this in the morning for school, or you could do it in the afternoon, like you're going to dinner or something, and it looks beautiful. I'm going to keep going just a little bit more, and then we're going to stop. So let me tell you what to do again. You have the old strand that you took from the beginning. What you're going to do is you're going to grab a new strand right here and hold them together like that. So that when you put your hand back and you grab it from this side, you have your loop and you pull the strand through. So it makes a braid. Let's keep going. Please tell me in the comments below if you like this hairstyle and if you tried it at home. And tell me if it worked for you. I mostly recommend this hairstyle on longer hair because the longer your hair is, the easier it will be able to grab it from the back and loop it in. But if your hair is short, it won't work as well. You can still do it on short hair, but I'm just saying it won't work as well. And you won't get the same result. I think now we're going to stop. So to tie your hair, what you're going to do is you're going to grab this strand and grab all your hair, take it like that, grab a rubber band, open it, and just tie it. I recommend using a black rubber band or a brown rubber band. It depends on what color your hair is, so you can't really see it that much, and it looks better. Now our mermaid tail is all done. To make it look more like a mermaid tail, what you do is you take a comb and you spread all your hair out. You could use your hands too. And it looks like a little fin. It looks exactly like a mermaid tail. Now what we're going to do is you're going to decorate our mermaid tail so it looks even more better. So I have my little beads right here that I'm going to decorate with. I'm going to put each one at the top. So they're like little tiny rhinestones. There we go. And we got another one. And our last one. And look at how pretty it looks. It looks absolutely beautiful. You can wear it anywhere you want. And it works really well on long hair and also short hair. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bye, everyone!